Hey guys, Frisian here. We have a 2007 Chrysler Pacifica, 3.8 front wheel drive. We're gonna do the oil pan because it's looking pretty good. Also, the valve cover are also looking pretty good, front and back. And in the process, we're gonna remove the intake, replace also those gaskets. So it also applies for, I believe, the Grand Caravans and other Chrysler vehicles that has the same 3.8 engine. But anyways, let me walk you through it. I'm going to do a time lapse of taking all this stuff off, and I'll tell you what you need, and we'll go from there. Alright guys. So just a quick recap on what you need to get to the bottom. So you need some deep socket number 8. You need I used the 13 deep socket. I also used deep socket 10, 8, and some pliers to remove, some hoses, vice grips. Just remove the harness connectors. So yeah guys, once you have all those things taken out, clean all your areas, clean your valve covers, put your new gaskets, and you'll be set. The gaskets that we're using is Felpro VS50599R. That'll be for both of the valve covers, and Felpro MS92808-1. This is the gasket for the lower intake and the upper intake. So I'm gonna clean the intake, clean the valve covers, and put everything back together. So I'll show you a quick clip once I'm done. And yeah, so there you have it guys. You can do it. It's not that hard. Take your time, and see you in the next one. Bolts all around. Just remove this cover plate. You got 1, 2 number 10s, and then back here you're gonna have a 18. There's a plate here. You don't have to remove it. You're just gonna push it out a little bit so you can reach out this bolt that's kind of hidden at the back, right here on the bottom side. So just push it over a little bit, and then you will be able to take it out. So once you got all those 10s out of the pan, this cover, the 18, the pan will just easily come off. Clean all your areas, make sure you clean all the little glue spots on the corners. So yeah, make sure that everything's nice and clean before you put the new gasket and oil pan. And once you get that, just throw some brake cleaner, and make sure you put some gasket maker around the corners on the joints where the rear cover and the front cover are at, you know, between the block and the covers. There's 4 spots that you have to put that glue because it's slightly uneven and you don't want to leak. There it is, guys. We're finished. We got as well. And at the bottom, we got the new oil pan. Got the new oil pan right there. Alright guys, see you on the next one.